So welcome on this lecture. In this lecture, we will describe the analysis of acid radical. Okay, how can analyze the acid radical. Okay, so आपको सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए कि 3 categories is divided for acid radical. Group first, ठीक है, group second and group third, ठीक है, and it is the characteristics of the acid radicals of each group. ओके सो अगर आप देखोगे तो ग्रुप फर्स्ट में कौन कौन से आपके रेडिकल्स हैं, कार्बोनेट है, सल्फाइड है, एसीटेट है, नाइट्राइट है, ठीक है। तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि अगर आपको डिटेक्ट करना है ग्रुप फर्स्ट के रेडिकल्स तो उसके लिए पर्टिकुलर रीजेंट आपको रीजेंट चाहिए, ठीक है। तो अटैकिंग रीजेंट इसमें क्या है आपका डाइल्यूट H2SO4 और डाइल्यूट HCl, ठीक है। तो जब भी आप ऐड करोगे एसिड रेडिकल में तो गैस का इवाल्वेशन होगा, ठीक है। और क्या होगा इसमें आपको डाइल्यूट ही यूज़ करना है, इसमें कंसनट्रेट H2SO4 और कंसनट्रेट HCl यूज़ नहीं करना है, ठीक है, क्योंकि ये करेक्टरिस्टिक्स रीजेंट्स हैं पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप के, ठीक है। तो इसमें अगर आपको इवोल्यूशन ऑफ गैस हो रहा है देन देयर विल बी प्रोबेबिलिटी to occur of these acid radicals such as carbonate, sulfide, acetate and nitrite. Okay, the second one is group second, ठीक है। तो जब भी ग्रुप सेकेंड की बात करेंगे तो इसमें एसिड रेडिकल में हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे डाइल्यूट H2SO4 एंड डाइल्यूट HCl, बट these if you add these dilute H2SO4 and dilute HCl then it will not take from acid radical because it is not characteristics of that group. Okay, so the reagent is used concentrate H2SO4. Okay, so only if when you will add H2SO4 concentrate H2SO4 then acid radical will act and gas will be evolved. Okay, and characteristics smell and color will be appeared. Okay, and there will be probability of the group second radicals such as chloride, bromide, iodide, nitrite and oxalate. Okay, the third one is acid radical which do not react with the concentrate H2SO4 or HCl. Okay, or dilute H2SO4 HCl. Okay, so these are so group third. If you see the group third, then acid radical do not react either concentrate. So in this group third, acid radical do not react with either concentrate or dilute H2SO4, so no reaction will occur. And then if gas will be not evolved, then there will be probability of sulfate and phosphate acid radicals. Okay, then we will describe the how you can prepare the carbonate extract. Okay, so carbonate extract, for preparing the carbonate extract you will use soda extract or first of all you will use a salt. Okay, salt plus 4 times pure sodium carbonate or which will be free from chloride or sulfate ions. Okay, and you will add 20 to 25 ml distilled water, boil, heat and boiled. Okay, and what happen here, the filtrate, okay, filtrate you will obtain and other will be residue. Okay, so filtrate you will collect this and it is called carbonate extract. Okay, so chemistry of this reaction will be involved. First of all you will use the salt which is MgSO4, sodium bicarbonate 4 times you will use, then will form MgCO3 and NO2SO4. so this is the insoluble carbonate. Okay, this is the carbonate extract and soluble form is Na2SO4. Okay, CdCl2 if you add with sodium carbonate then you will find the cadmium carbonate and 2 part of NaCl. Okay, which is soluble. Aluminum sulfate gives the, but you use aluminum sulfate then you will add the water, then aluminum trihydroxide will be formed and sodium sulfate and CO2 will be evolved. Okay, CO2 will be evolved. Okay, so excess sodium carbonate can neutralize with acid. These sodium carbonate excess, this one in the reactant, the excess sodium carbonate can be neutralized with adding HCl. Okay, so it is the formation of how you can form the carbonate extract and how can you form the acid, how you can detect the acid radical. So first of all you should be know about the which group contain which type of acid radical and which reagent is used first of all. Okay, so first you will concentrate on these acid radical group first, group second, group third, and you can export to forming the carbonate extract. Okay, and their basic reactions. The next one is acid used for harm. It is very important point because if you are going to neutralize the excess sodium carbonate then acid, you will use acid which should be free from anions, which does not contain the anion under test. Okay, residue is used for the detection of basic radicals of compound insoluble in water. Okay, concentrate HCl, concentrate HNO3, example barium sulfate. So you can use this residue. The one is lower part is residue. You can use this residue for detection of basic radical of compound which is insoluble in either water or concentrated HNO3 or HCl. Okay. So analysis of acid radical group. First reagent you will use already know about that reagent which is used in this group. Okay, so dilute H2SO4 and dilute HCl is used for this. It is called group reagents for the group first period. Okay, and in this evaluation of gas, colorless or brown or smell. So colorless, it is very important. Evaluation of gas will be occurred. Brown color will evolve and smell will be occur. So these will probability of these acid radical which can be occur. Okay, in the group second, concentrated H2SO4 use and evaluation of gas, characteristic smell and color. Okay, so in this colorless, in this color. Okay, so it is a difference, minute difference, and there will be probability to occur chloride, bromide, iodide, carbon, nitrate and C2O4 2 minus acid radicals. In the group third, you can see it is very specific, and in this dilute HCl, BaCl2 or concentrated HNO3 ammonium molybdate is used. White precipitate is very important point. White precipitate occur and yellow precipitate. Two precipitate can be occur either white or yellow. Okay, so in this you can see sulfate or phosphate can be occur. Okay, so it is each three groups having a very specific detection properties. Okay, and each particular group having particular reagents. Okay, so acid used for neutralization with different radicals. So how you can use? For chloride you can use the dilute HNO3, it gives the AgNO3. Okay, if bromide, then you can dilute. So for halides you can use dilute HNO3, but sulfate and oxalate, for sulfate you will use dilute HCl, it will gives the precipitate of BaCl2, and if oxalate you can use acetic acid which gives the CaCl2. Okay, so these type of acids used for neutralization with different radicals. Okay, so these are the radicals, this is the different reagents, and these are the particular acids. Okay, so these are particular acids, these are the reagents. Okay, and these are the precipitates. Okay, so it is very important, a basic concept you should be understand. After that we will detect each for carbonate, for sulfide, for carbonate, sulfate, acetate, chloride, bromide. So each particular test will be performed which gives the particular color. Okay, and other properties. So in the second lecture we will describe this concept. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Okay, so